This minor adjustment has been suggested by Mr. Moksit Paul. What's up YouTube, welcome back to today's video. And आज के वीडियो में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ एक common problem that is faced by the FZ25 owners, that is the ground clearance issue. And I would say कि I think I have found a solution. It doesn't involve adding fork risers or any additional modifications done to your bike. So that is, I will show you. Stay tuned. I'll need to stop the bike first and I'll show you what I have done. There's a small change, a small adjustment. I would say it's not a change, वो ज़्यादा कुछ major change नहीं है. It's a very minor adjustment and it can be done by you also, but I didn't have that tool to get it changed, so just stay tuned. I'm just taking you there so that you can see. Alright, so FZ25 के बहुत सारे owners हैं, they have this ground clearance issue, and I would actually show you what I have done, and it has actually solved the problem. Bumpers में जो touch करता था वो अभी एकदम नहीं कर रहा है. So this minor adjustment has been suggested by Mr. Moksit Paul, and he's a buddy in our FZ25 group. So you can see that this suspension is actually set to the hardest point, second hardest point actually. So ये क्या होता है कि जब कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर टच हो जाता है ज़मीन पे, यह भी पूरा बंद हो गया है, ट्रस्ट मी. एंड इफ़ इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग स्पीड ब्रेकर, आप धीरे से उसको अप्रोच करना. सो इससे क्या होगा कि आपका जो टच करना वो मतलब 90% वो रुक चुका है मेरा, until unless is a very big स्पीड ब्रेकर. सो आपको क्या करना है, इसको आपको सेकंड हार्डेस्ट पे सेट करना है, प्रीसेट इसका प्रीलोड को. एंड वंस यू डू दैट, ट्रस्ट मी, ये प्रॉब्लम ऑलमोस्ट चला ही जाएगा. लाइक आई एम नॉट फेसिंग दिस इशू एनी मोर. पहले तो लाइक एवरी नाउ एंड देन इतना सॉफ्ट सेट था उसका, and I was like thinking कि चलो इसका ground clearance में issue है, but the problem is that the bike's suspension was pretty soft, and after setting this to the second hardest, this thing is gone, like the problem is gone. So you can go to, like अगर आपको खुद से करना आता है तो आप कर सकते हो अगर आपके पास वो tool है, or else you can go to your local mechanic and just tell him that you want this to be set in the second hardest, okay, not the hardest, second hardest. So once you do that, try riding for a while and आपको खुद समझ में आ जाएगा ये इसका solution बस यही एक है. And fork risers is changing the dynamics, riding dynamics of the whole bike. अगर आप छोटा सा भी आप कुछ change करते हो तो बाइक का handling में effect करेगा, like maybe in a good way or a bad way, but it does change the riding dynamics. So that's my suggestion, and I have tried this. You can try it also. आप try करके देखो, and do share in the comments if this is actually working for you. And it has been working for me and a lot of other people from my FZ25 group. So that's all. This is a very simple solution, I would say, and it doesn't involve any cost. You just have to pay him for the adjustment. So that's all. This is a very simple trick, like simple tip from an owner's point of view. So that's all guys, a very short video on the FZ25's ground clearance issue. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you again in the next video.